Take care of your health, position. Don't wander here and there. Unnecessarily don't come outside. Stay healthy, stay straight. Now, already you have completed Unit 1 ABC lessons. Some students will given responsibility to what I given assignment to, but some students are not responding what I given the assignment to. From this Unit 2, I hope all the students can make answers and send to me online. Now Unit 2, area set true type. This lesson, games and sports. Games and sports both are just like brothers, but they're different. Games, some group of games, and sports is a single game, single sport. And moral, true type, the moral is dream, and dreams high. Any student can dream, any girl or any student and anyone can dream. But what are the dreams? Dreams are so high. For dreams lead to thoughts. When you dream, those dreams will lead to thoughts. And thoughts lead to actions. Coming to the course, coming to the existence. See, your pole vault is meaning is very important because some students are not understand what is the pole vault. Mainly a sport, a single person participating contest. A sport in which you use a long pole to spin over a high barrier. So another meaning is obsession, a state in which a person's mind is completely filled with a thought, one particular or a person or a thing. This is the moral you can understand. Now, you will like a story about his life history, how he played, how he achieved a goal over sport. That is our main lesson. True height. What is a pole vault game? You can easily understand. Page number 27 say this story talks about the feelings of an athlete. The story belongs to an athlete as he pursues, underline the word pursue, underline, achieving the goal, continuously achieving the goal. His dream. Always he was dreaming. He was flying. He was dreaming. What was dreaming? Achieve the goal. Who? Michael Stowe. Read about a nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life as he prepares to an ultimate test of his sports career. In his sports career, he achieved a goal even he was 17 years old. It is an inspiration to other students who are 17 years age. An achievement that will leave you breathless. If you listen, if you hear about this nerve-wracking story, you can also take a moral this lesson. Now, all 50,000 people were awaiting the pole vault event and watching. The game was a nerve-wracking. Now all the participants, sports players are sat on the astroturf means artificial grass. His plans were sweating palms, totally right hand and left hand palms were sweating. He needed a towel to drain his grip. He wanted a small towel to dry his grip. A glass of ice water wanted quenched, wanted his thirst, but wholly cooled his intensity. Wholly cool, he wanted to take the water, very cool water, because of he was in tension. The astronaut, he said, he was ready to participate and contest to the pole vaulting. His certain was the what was the competition. He faced today the National Junior Olympics. He was participating, he was contesting National Junior Olympics. The pole vault was set at 17 feet. Only was a 17 years old, even it was set to 17 feet. That was 3 inches higher than his personal best. That was 3 inches above, higher than his personal best. Michael Stone confronted face to face, confronted the most challenging day of his pole vaulting career. The stands were still filled with about 20,000 people. In the stadium, 20,000 people were awaiting who will win. All were waiting for the game. Even though the final race had ended an hour earlier, even though and half an hour it was completed, but before what was happened, the story was here explained to us. The whole world is truly glamorous event, very wonderful event. It was a very wonderful event of any track and field competition. It's also full of competition while watching the game, the sport. And sportsman combines the grace of a gymnast with the strength of a bodybuilder. The whole world giving moving participate, who was gymnastic person, will participate, and bodybuilder also. Those are will participate this whole world game. Pole vaulting as is the element of flying. The whole world game is what kind of play? Game of an element of flying, just like a eagle. How the eagle is flying on the sky, just like it was one kind of a element of flying. And the thought of flying as high as 2-story building is another fantasy to anyone watching it, and even everybody. It's a fantasy, very interesting to see to watch the game because of nearly 2-story building that much of height. Today is not only the Michael Stone's reality dream, it's the quest. From the beginning of the quest, what is the first quest? What are equal meaning? The wanted to achieve the whole world game. As long as Michael Stone could remember, when he was on the Astra place, he was reminding. He had always dreamed of flying, always when in childhood, he wanted to dream about flying. Michael's mother read up numerous stories about flying. Michael Stone's mother always telling fairy tales and those very other intellectual stories. When he was growing up, his stories were always what to describe the land from a bird's eye view. Always telling his mother always telling the story of land from a bird's eye view. And excitement and passion for details made Michael's dreams full of color and beauty. Always he was dreaming, I wanted to fly just like an eagle on the sky. He could feel the hopes and chunks of dirt at his feet and he raced down the golden line which he was practiced near the fields, near the railway tracks, near the all kinds of places he was practicing his pole vault. He would always outrun the locomotives, and passing by he could begin soaring like an eagle. He was dreaming just like an eagle, how the soaring on the sky. Our Michael Stone also dreaming. Very few could always consign with his mother's stories. Always he was inspiring his mother's stories. His dad, he was a motor person. On the other hand, was not a dreamer. His dad, not a dreamer. His motto was Bedstone was a hardcore realistic. He believed in a hard work only. It's only first part is completed. Now it's continuing the second part